नीचे देखो
बड़े पर्दे पे जो कि देखने को मिलेगा 5 दिसंबर, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। वाह क्या दीवानगी है। ऑफ कोर्स एवरी सिंगल टाइम वी डू समथिंग पुष्पा टू द रूल से जुड़ा हुआ तो दीवानगी अलग लेवल पे होती है। दैट वी कैन सी वन मोर टाइम राइट हियर। Okay, so अब आगे बढ़ेंगे ladies and gentlemen, and officially let me do this on behalf of my 3 movie makers. I'd like to welcome each one of you to this very iconic press meet of Pushpa 2, The Rule. My name is Nitin. I'll be here with you and of course इस दोपहर को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। एक काम करते हैं, जैसे मैंने बात किया इस प्रोडक्शन स्टूडियो का जिन्होंने ये काम किया है, रवि सर, नवीन सर, आप लोगों के बिहाफ पे एक एवी है जो कि अब चलाने वाले हैं। प्लीज टेक अ लुक एट इट, आप भी एंजॉय कीजिए। कितने बड़े बड़े काम किए इन्होंने एज दिस प्रोडक्शन स्टूडियो। आई एम श्योर यू गोना लव इट। ऑल आइज वन मोर टाइम ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। सबसे पहले सर मुझे बताएं जो रिस्पांस मिल रहा है, दैट इज अगेन एज आई सेड आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। वी हैव नेवर सीन दैट, लाइक बिगेस्ट फिल्म का टैग ही नहीं, मतलब लोग ऑर्गेनिकली इतना सारा प्यार दे रहे हैं। व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से टू ऑल द एमिनेंट जर्नलिस्ट्स हियर सर जो हमें ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं आज, और साथ ही अक्रॉस द ग्लोब पीपल हु आर वाचिंग दिस?
We expected the response will be huge as the date is nearing, but this is way above our expectations. The Patna event and wherever we go, Chennai, Cochin, and here, everywhere, it's huge. And we're so happy.
Good evening, everyone. And see,
this is really, we never expected this much reception for any film in India, sir. We are very, very proud to be part of this project. And also we are prestigiously releasing this film across the world, more than 12,000 screens. And also releasing in IMAX. This is the maximum, this is the biggest release in IMAX version for any Indian film. And there are lot many what we call things there which wherein Pushpa is very special, and we humbly seek your blessings for this film, and thanks a lot for coming to this event, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. So we would obviously want you to talk about your director, Saab Sukumar's, the kind of hard work he's put in this movie. What do you have to say, sir?
He is working hard for the past 3 years, and even he is working hard today also. And same with our hero Allu Arjun Garu. He is the most hardworking hero in the country we have. And we want to thank, we did this in every event, and once again we want to thank Allu Arjun Garu and Sukumar Garu for giving us this huge film. Thank you.
So if you were to talk about the cast, of course.
Yeah, firstly, we need to thank all the media people who are here, sir. Thank you very much for this beautiful coverage. And also, we thank Anil Tadani ji, who is distributing in Hindi as well as in overseas. And also, our best friend and our mentor, Mr. Bhushan ji, who is the chairman of T-Series. He's always a very strong pillar to us. Thank you very much, sir, for being here. And coming to our cast and crew, see, they have done a fabulous job since 3 years. Everyone worked very, very, very hard. And our hero, was a special mention for our Allu Arjun sir.
ये स्माइल देख रहे हो आप भूषण सर के चेहरे पे, ये बहुत कुछ बोल रही है. सो आई थिंक बिफोर वी स्टार्ट सर, एक बार वो पुष्पा वाला झुकेगा नहीं साला आपसे भी सुनना है सर मेरे को.
झुकेगा नहीं साला.
Killer, sir, killer. Sir, talking about this association, of course, जब आप यहाँ होते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं audiences को पता होता है कि T series का साथ है तो कुछ तो बड़ा होने वाला है, कुछ तो बात है. अभी talk to us about this film and of course this association, sir, please.
See, we have started our relation with Maitri Movies from Pushpa 1. I did the music for that, and in this we have gone on to another association level where we are associated with Pushpa 2 also. Not in terms of music, now we are doing so much stuff with Ravi Garu and Mr. Naveen Garu, and I'm very proud to be associated with Pushpa. And everybody, like Sukumar Garu, I've met many times, and he's so dedicated director. I remember I met him in Hyderabad, and I think he was in this writing camp for Pushpa 2, and I've seen his dedication. So all the best to him. He has worked very hard on the film, and that all we can see on the big screen now. And music has become already a big blockbuster, and the songs are working so well all over. We all are seeing the kind of, and Rashmika, she's looking gorgeous in the song and the kind of performance she has given. And Allu Arjun Garu, you are really a wildfire, not only fire like in Pushpa 1. And all the best to you and everybody associated with the film. And I don't want to forget DSP. He has given a great music. After one, I know what are the challenges when you are giving another part music, and he has done a great job in terms of background music and music. So all the best to everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. From music to blockbusters, congratulations and thank you so much, sir, for talking to us. Patna में क्या हुआ होगा? मतलब once we played this trailer, दीवानगी का ना अलग लेवल चल रहा था वहाँ पे, एंड वो स्पीकर्स आपने देखे होंगे कैसे ढक चुके थे. वहाँ पे जितने भी लोग अल्लू अर्जुन सर के संग आए थे, मतलब समझ नहीं आ रहा था उनके साथ कौन है, अलग कौन है. ब्यूरोक्रेट्स जो थे वो वहां पे सेल्फियां क्लिक कर रहे थे. उनका बहुत ज्यादा प्रशासन का जो सपोर्ट था उसके लिए वी आर रियली ग्रेटफुल टू द एंटायर टीम. डेप्यूटी सीएम ऑफ बिहार वाज देयर एंड दिस इज वन इवेंट दैट द एंटायर इंडस्ट्री इज डेफिनेटली गोना रिमेंबर forever. Shravan se abhi baat ho rahi thi, that's what we were talking about. Of course, Naveen, we were just talking about that, right? कि ये एक इवेंट है जिसको यहाँ बैठ के सब लोगों ने enjoy किया है. A lot of people, Runa ma'am, of course, we were talking about this. यहाँ बैठ के everybody enjoyed that event. Ajay Brahmatmat sir यहाँ पे हैं. He walked in and the first thing he said, मैंने वो event पूरा देखा. I was like, thank you sir. मतलब अच्छा था, कुछ तो अच्छा किया होगा. थैंक यू सो मच सर. मीना मैम से बात हो रही थी. यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग हैं हम सब ने एंजॉय किया. अब इसको यहाँ इस पल को एंजॉय करते हुए never seen before. कोई नहीं. जी 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 बहुत बढ़िया. आइए. देखा आप देख रहे हो क्या हो रहा है. As soon as you come here, धमाका मच गया. First things first,
जी बोलिए.
5 साल है ना ये जर्नी. Talk to us about that first shot and उससे भी पहले that first time when you got to know that you will be working with icon star Allu Arjun sir.
First of all, may I just welcome all of you here. Thank you so much for joining us. Good evening to all of you. I hope you've all eaten well and I hope you're enjoying this event. Thank you for being a part of it. And yes, पहले तो कहाँ से शुरू करूँ मैं? Okay. First, I'll start off from, I think, the first shot you asked me about. I remember the first shot was, in Pushpa 1, Srivalli's song, there's this paper, this thing I do, and I'm pouring that milk and all of that. I think that was the first day, and I was so nervous meeting Allu Arjun sir for the first day. I was like, yo, now how do I react to sir? Okay, sir, like he's been a superstar for such a long time, so I was like, okay, now I don't know how to react, I don't know how to behave and all of that, but that was the first day, that was the first interaction. But today, standing here in front of sir, just his family, his home, so the 5 years journey has been so different with a lot of emotional ride, I should say. But today here we are, and he's always going to be super special. So
You've met these eminent journalists, a couple of times, of course, in the past too. But
Yes.
when you are standing here for
Yeah.
Pushpa 2, The Rule,
Yeah.
after 16 December 2021, that was the first time you'd come here.
Yeah.
And we welcomed you.
Yeah,
So
thank
now
you.
how does it feel,
A lot's changed, that's for sure. लेकिन जब भी ना मैं फिल्म शूट के लिए आ रही थी मुंबई के लिए, I used to just be asked one question, कि when is Pushpa 2 releasing? And today, with all of my heart and all of my confidence and all of my excitement, I can proudly announce that we're finally coming to you on December 5th.
अब बात समझ में आ गई हम सबको. Of course, she said it. अब समझ में आ गई. Talk to us about this amazing filmmaker,
जी.
सुकुमार सर. जितना कहा जाए उतना कम है. उन्होंने जब ये नरेट किया था आपको, जब इसके बारे में बताया था, उस समय क्या चल रहा था?
Gee, it's just like how you've just said, no matter how many words, it's all too short for him. He's, in simple one-liner, I would just like to say he's a genius. I feel like he's not from Earth, he's from somewhere else, But, you know, he's just born as a human being and some other soul is just, he's a genius.
वो सामने नहीं आते हैं मतलब ऐसा we don't get to meet him. What is this?
So we should really plan to kidnap
है ना,
him.
we have to do something with Sukumar sir because we've been waiting to talk to him. Of course, anyone and everyone over here. You know, कौन सी एक चीज है रश्मिका इस फिल्म की, इस 5 साल की जर्नी की that will always stay with you?
There's 5 years journey is, you can't say it in one word, you can't say it in one phrase or sentence. Lekin, this, like 7 years of my journey as an actor, 5 years being with Pushpa, Pushpa is home. And now when we're done with the film, I actually don't know how to react to it because I'm very, very sad that it's ended, but I'm very, very excited that it's finally coming out. So I'm a little overwhelmed with a lot of emotions, but yeah, I'm hoping that I get to work with the team lot many more times.
I'm sure, fingers crossed, and I'm sure ऐसा ही होगा. यहाँ पे बड़ी सारी बार आप आओगे और हम सबसे बातचीत करने वाले हो. 5th December, the rule begins, ladies and gentlemen. Culmination नहीं है किसी चीज का, बल्कि शुरुआत है. बॉक्स ऑफिस के लिए एक नई उम्मीद, कुछ नए रिकॉर्ड्स तो आप भी तोड़ रहे हो. पता नहीं कितने तरीके से वो हार्ट बना लेते हो आप. How many?
बस
Yeah.
ये
मैं तो खत्म हो गया, मैं जा रहा हूँ.
आप सबके लिए.
मेरा हो गया. Okay, जाते जाते of course I've got this request from everyone, you know, जितने लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, we will play अंगारो और आपको चिंगारी कैसे जलाते हैं वो सिखाना पड़ेगा, otherwise I can't.
No, before that, can I just talk to everyone?
Please, yes.
Hi guys. Are you all waiting for the release? Pakka you'll go watch. I'll be looking forward for all your reviews, huh? Huh? Yeah, I really will because I know every time I spoke to all of you guys, you were only asking when is Pushpa 2 coming, when is Pushpa 2 coming. So finally it is releasing. Now please watch it on in the theaters on December 5th and I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoy it. Bas, I'll stop.
She said it. बस ठीक है, अभी बोल दिया ना, अभी करने का है. So can we have that song थोड़ा सा?
आप करोगी मेरे साथ?
मैं तो I'm dying to do it, of course. I know, जिस पल का हम सबको था इंतजार, that is finally here, ladies and gentlemen. सिर्फ यहीं पे नहीं, बल्कि पूरे देश में इस समय जो लोग लाइव हमें देख रहे हैं, they are waiting for this moment, of course, after that.
Absolute. How do I say? No words. I think instead of putting in words, I would say just please watch the film and what we have done for you and how how much love we have shown for you. Thank you so much. ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఉన్నట్టున్నారు. A lot of people from and yes, thank you my dear fans. I love my fans. They're like my family. They fight for me. They stand by me. They celebrate me. They stand for me like an army, and that's why on a sweet note I always call them my army. Thank you my army. I love you all. I will make you all proud. If this film becomes a big hit, I will dedicate this film to all my fans. That is my aim. This film is releasing December 5th worldwide. More than 12,500 screens, which is the highest for any Indian film ever. So thank you for giving this honor. It is not our greatness. With utmost humility, I would like to say, this is not our greatness, but it is your grace. Thank you for showing us your grace. I hope to make you all more proud. I hope to make you make every Indian proud with this film. Pushpa, झुकेगा नहीं साला. And पुष्पा को national समझे क्या? इस बार international है मैं. And the last, just before I say the last punchline, just for once for love, I would request Rashmika to come up on stage, and I want to do a small jig, for Angaron ka song. Very few times I'll organically feel it, and only when I feel it, I do it. I'm feeling it today. Please play the song. This December 5th, hope to see you in theaters. पुष्पा नाम सुन के फ्लावर समझे क्या? फायर समझे क्या? इस बार वाइल्ड फायर है मैं. See you in December 5th in the theaters. Thank you, India. Thank you so much for all your love. Thank you to all the Indians and Pushpa fans worldwide. Thank you.
Sir, of course, you are here.
Namaskar.
Rashmika, please be here with us. Ek choti si cheez, you talked about everyone, sir. But we have some very special memories on the big screen for you. है ना? This is the journey of Pushpa and this entire team. I'm going to play that for you. So can we have the thing on the big screen? So this is 2019 when it had all started.
HPA.
Right.
Oh, yeah. I forgot.
This was again in 2019, sir.
Yeah.
You did it.
I just wanted to give a code word. Yeah. I even forgot I did.
So you have to talk to us about this. What is happening?
Well, I was building a new office, and they were going to dismantle their old building and build a new building. And I wanted to have my first meeting in that office, and that film Pushpa 1 was taking off. So I called Mr. Sukumar, and it was his birthday. And I said, I want to have my first meeting of Pushpa meeting in this office. There is no office. Let's just sit on the terrace, have a chai, and talk about the film. So that is the first meeting that happened in my office in 2020. And
Great beginnings, of
it
course.
was it's that memory that I wanted to make a memory, with Pushpa 1 in that office.
Lovely. Can we have the next one, please?
Yes. Well, this poster has a story behind. When we first wanted to give the name, we just wanted to give only the title called Pushpa. Pushpa means flower in Telugu. And a good friend of mine, who's a common friend, Mr. Director Harish Shankar, who is a common friend for Director Sukumar Garu and me, he said, Sir, you know, the name Flower sounds very soft for a mass hero. Why don't you come up with a powerful name? And I addressed this issue to my director, saying, you know, he's saying that, you know, let's not give the title logo alone because there'll be a lot of discussion about the logo. Discussion about the title. That's when he said, no, it's good that you told me. Let's not give the name by itself. Let us give it with a picture. Let's, you know, you become so rough, and let's give a look which is quite shocking. So when they see a rough guy with the soft name, it'll really set the contrast. And that picture lit the entire expectations for Pushpa from that day onwards till this day. From that poster to this day, expectations of Pushpa has never come down. So
Next
that picture is like the seed for everything.
Can we have the next one?
Is this during our national award? Priceless. Yeah, I think this is after the success of Pushpa 1. Yeah, we hugged each other after the success of Pushpa 1. So he'll always be a very special person in my life, or one of the most special people in my life. So it's a priceless moment.
Next. Can we have?
National award.
The moment, of course.
It is my absolute honor. And, you know, I can tell everybody this, that when I was doing Pushpa 1, I requested Sukumar Garu that, you know, I really want to try to win the Best Actor award. I've won Best Actor many times, but I also want to take the bar to a next level so that we should give a quality that maybe we can try for a national award. I really wanted to try for a national award, and I told him that, and he promised me. He said, I will do my best to see through that, you know, I present you to the best so that you, how do I say, we will make a film where everybody feels it deserves a national award for your performance. And, and also it makes it more special because in the last 69 years, no Telugu actor has ever won a national award. And that was in my heart. And I was the first actor in 69 years of Telugu films to win a national award. And that will always be a very remarkable achievement for me in my life. And it's a priceless. And it happened only because of one man, none other than my director, Sukumar Garu. You know, last 20 years, me and my music director, who's also my childhood friend, we both come from Chennai. And I used to tell him, you know, it's very difficult for me to do a Hindi film, but you as a music director, it's very easy for you to do a Hindi film. Why don't you do a Hindi film? And he said, no, whenever I do a Hindi film, why don't you do a Hindi film, and along with you, I'll also do it. I said, how is it possible? I don't know when I'll do a Hindi film. I may never do a Hindi film. You know, because back in the day, it was extremely hard to do a Hindi film. You know, genuinely doing a Hindi film was such a huge thing to even aspire for that we used to have this thing that will we ever do a Hindi film in our life? Maybe in our lifetime we might do one Hindi film. It was that far away for us to do a film. And from that mindset to coming onto this stage, standing here, it's a very, very big thing for me. And my music director, when we both hit national award and we hit a national hit, national super hit album together for the same film. So it is the most priceless thing that could ever happen for in our friendship journey.
And now the world is saying, Allu Arjun sir ke jaisi film karni hai sir. Of course. Now this is it.
This one poster set the bar for Pushpa 2 to become this phenomenon. And it is purely Sukumar Garu's idea. There's a story behind this. We shot Pushpa 1, a different look. We shot a normal, regular, if he's a rich guy, you know, any of those looks. Can you see that? You know, in like a safari suit, you know, he's got all the bling on. Now he's into the next level. We shot that. We finished the photo shoot and it came out well, but Sukumar Garu was feeling uneasy. He's like, nay, not this. I said, what? We finished the entire photo shoot and we're going to release the picture. Now you're telling me this is not working? He says, yeah, I want to give a shocker. I said, what shocker? He said, I want to dress up like a lady. I said, what? What? Are you crazy? Then he explained me what he's looking at and everything. And then we worked around it. And then we did 2, 3 couple of shoots. The first test shoot failed. The second test shoot failed. And the third one, we got the beat. And then I knew what my genius maverick, Mr. Sukumar Garu was looking at. And that is purely his genius idea.
So quickly, if you have to, talk about the Jatra wala 2 ghante ka makeup, of course, talk to us about that because I know there's a lot of hard work that's gone into it, sir.
I generally don't like to explain we worked this hard, that hard, that hard. But I can only say one thing for sure is that by far, for the last 20 years I've been working, it is the most hardest sequence I've ever shot in my entire life. And it takes more than just hard work, effort, patience. It takes something beyond all that. I can't put it in words. And I don't like to explain because I don't want the magic to go. I just want people to experience it for the magic it is more than my hard work.
Right. Okay. We have another one. Of course, sir. We have to talk about this.
पुष्पा कभी झुकेगा नहीं लेकिन पहली बार आपका प्यार के लिए झुकेगा. Yes, I will do that for partner for the love that they've showed. Thank you so much Bihar for the love that they have showed. It was incredible. It just showed how much beauty is there in this country that a South actor has got such a tremendous response in the northern parts of India, and that it's not just my achievement. It is a display of celebrating our diversifications, and that is India to me, ladies and gentlemen. That is India to me.
All right, we've got one last one. Sir,
Yeah, that is the last shot of Pushpa. I've shot this film for almost 5 years, in Pushpa 1 and 2 including. And I was waiting, believe me gentlemen, I was waiting for this film to get over as much as possible so I can clean shave. My daughter doesn't even come to me because I can't even kiss her because I have beard on. I haven't kissed her properly in the last 3-4 years. And I've been waiting to get my beard off and start, and finish with this film. But actually, I think Rashmika finished 1 day before me. And she was tearing, and I was like joking. I was like, what? Why are you crying? Why are you tearing up? She's like, no, sir. In 7 years of my career, almost 5 years I've shot for this film. It's like home. I said, yeah, we will miss you too and all that. I was like, come on, life goes on. Yeah, whoa. I said all that. And next day, when I finished my shot, I went quiet. It got very heavy for me. It genuinely got very heavy for me. I just went quiet. Because all the faces that you see, it's the last 5 years. I've been seeing the same people, same faces. And only 3 times I got that feeling that I want this film to become a big hit. The first time when Pushpa 1 became very big hit, and everybody's, when I saw this, that, one of the surveys that it has been expected as the biggest film in India. And I was thinking, shit, it's a time for, we as a Telugu film industry, whole India is expecting this film for us. It's a very big thing for us. So I should be very responsible because it will bring very good name to my homeland. And I should be very responsibly, it's like, how do I say, it's a pride moment for Telugu people. It's a moment to make all my Telugu people proud because they have supported me for the last 20 years and made me an actor. And it was my time to make them proud on a national scale. That's one time I felt I should make this Pushpa film hit. And second time, I felt one day when me and Sukumar Garu were working and I saw how much he's struggling. So much he's struggling. I was just thinking, wishing in my heart, I want this film to be hit for him more than anybody else. Not for me, not for anybody. I'll get another film, I'll do another thing. But for him, I want this film to be hit. And on the third day, when I packed up, I just realized Pushpa is not about me. It's not about him. It's about all these people, this crew, these technicians, my cameraman, he's been working for the last 5 years. My actress, she's been working for the last 5 years. There's so many actors, technicians, unit, so many people. This film belongs to so many bouncers, the unit, everybody. At least for all of them, they've invested 5 years into this film. I want this film to become a hit and make it meaningful for them. That is the reason, I got so emotional about that, the last day of shoot. I really wish this film, I swear I'm saying it with utmost truth. I want this film to be a hit for everybody else, not for me. I want this film to be a hit for everybody's effort.
Wow. ये सब सुन के मुझे लग रहा है I have lived all of this. Thank you so much, sir, for being here.
Thank you.
Rashmika, thank you so much. आप दोनों यहाँ पर आए. Of course, the entire team is here. We'll do a quick picture. Of course, the two of you, and then I'll be inviting some really important people on this stage. And we'll do a quick photo op, of course, with everyone. Yeah, here we go.